Hi guys, so welcome back to another video speed paint talk through. Today's topic that I wanted to cover are 5 top places to publish your webtoon, or 5 of the top places that I like to go to publish my webtoon. And I found I found a surprise one. I don't know why I said ow. I was trying to say ooh. Anyways, I found a surprise website that I never really knew of, like website platform that I never knew of, that you can also post your webtoon. And also, two of these sites you can it's also formatted, or they also accept like web comics as well, because I know some people are web comics in like comic strip style, because I know there are some web comic style creators out there as well who don't really want to do the vertical format. They want to stick with the horizontal, which is perfectly fine. I have a notification. Shush. Should put you on silent. Anyways, there are 2 sites that cater to that as well. I guess that's how you can say it. So the first website that I want to say is Medibang. I think I'm saying that correct, but their ARTstreet website. Now, for them, I love using their art app, and I have not tried personal. Well, I think I've uploaded something on there. I don't know. Yeah, I have. I've uploaded my artwork on there. I haven't tried their comic publishing side yet, uploading on that side, but that is a place where you can upload your manga page style comic. And of course, if you want to upload your webtoon there, you can do that as well. But it's called Medibang, and I believe it's called ARTstreet. I'm not sure if it's still Medibang or if their uploading site is ARTstreet, but just type Medibang or ARTstreet, or I'll have the links in the description box below. The next website, of course, is Line Webtoon. That one more so caters towards the vertical type comics webtoon, but that does not mean that you cannot upload your horizontal web comic there as well, because I've seen other people do that as well. So feel free to upload your comic there. Don't worry about any gatekeeping from me. Do it. Upload it up there. Next one, of course, is Tapas or Tapastic. That is also another great website to upload your webtoon. I have also uploaded my web comic on Tapas and my webtoon style comic on Tapas. And for webtoon, for all these ones that I'm mentioning, they also have revenue options, which is great, like ad revenue options. So that's also that's another like little tidbit, like here, this is the plus. Go to these sites as well. Now the next 2 sites, the first one is called Pop Pop Comics. So this is a web comic website. It was a very pleasant surprise for me to find. It's free to read, ad supported, mobile platform for comics, and the manga style comics as well. So this one, I believe, caters more so, or gosh, I cannot talk. More so towards horizontal type comics, like our typical manga comic type comics, than it does webtoon type comics. Not to say that you can't upload yours there either, but it seems to have the whole page. I believe it's the navigation. There we go. Its navigation is also great for that as well. And Global Comics is another wonderful little gem that I found as well, that you can upload your comics on there. They have a lot of American style comics, comic strips there that you might be interested in checking out. Well, uploading your stuff. I can't talk. Anyways, Global Comics is another website where you can upload your stuff. And then like the last, number 6, I know I said 5, but here's like a number 6, would be Graphite Comics. And I was shocked when I saw this one, because I didn't even know that this was out there. I'm like, they got all these comics, all people mirroring their comics on here, and I didn't even know about it. Didn't nobody tell me. I found it through somebody else's tweet. And put your comics on there too. This is another great website to go to. Graphite Comics, for those of us, well, back in the day when I was first starting out my comic and I didn't have the funds to create my own comic website, these type of websites are a great like starter place to put your comic on if you don't have the funds to self-host your comic. And I mean, I still put mine on there either way, because you know there's an audience there. And even though I have my own website, I mirror my comic on there, on these different platforms as well. I don't have it on Graphite Comics yet, or Pop Comics, or Global Comic, but I'm curious on trying those out. I might have to test those out. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, just in case you guys are wondering, you know, what are the top 5 places to publish, you know, your webtoon or your webcomic. There you go. Medibang, Webtoon, To Pass, Pop Comics, Global Comic, and Graphite Comics. And you know, of course, there's obviously, you know, the honorable old school mentions, you know, Smack G's, Comic Fury, the Duck Webtoons. The Duck Webcomics. The two of those, they're kind of dated, and Smack G's, I believe, is going through like a little transition right now. So I have to mention them because, you know, they've been around for so long. So those are some of the old what are those, flagship type websites that you know you could check out too. It wouldn't hurt to check it out. I don't think it would hurt to check it out. Let me rephrase that. But okay, so that's the end of me talking for this speed paint. Speed paint? No, it's a speed draw. Self promo. If you want to read this comic, you can check it out on my website at s-morishitastudio.com. Ooh, and also let me know if you'd be interested in me talking about how to create like your own website for you to self-host your own comic. Because, you know, I've been self-hosting my webcomic on s-morishitastudio.com for like since 2010, or is it 2012? Either way, I have some experience with it a little bit. So if you wanted me to talk about how to build your own WordPress website for your comic, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my website and read my comic for free. If you like, you know, fake marriage trope and petty fluffiness, you might like this little comic about Oriana and Jaehwan. Well, webtoon style comic. Anyways, I need to go. I gotta get my kids from school. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, bye guys.